Brandon Lighting is a manufacturer who focuses on linear lighting in Jiangmen, Guangdong, China since 2008. During last 10 years development, Brandon Lighting gained rich experience in ODM and OEM service. Aiming on better service, Brandon Lighting has made a sizable capital investment in new machinery and staff training. Right now, owns a lots advanced machine for ODM and OEM service, such as 3D printer, SMT lines, laser cutter, CNC punching, CNC bending, and so on. For ODM service on linear lighting, only 3 working days is needed for Brandon Lighting to offer solution. 15 days on making tooling. All your imagination on light will be realized easily. On the other hand, with the support of 19 years experienced R&D team, the trained and loyal workers finish production more professionally and timely now. Based on the spirit of dedicated, positive, reliable, thoughtful, business goal of brand on quality in this industry, policy of keep improving and meet customers' requirements. Today, Brandon products and service enjoy a good reputation among customers around the world, such as North America, Europe, and Australia, etc., after years hard working. However, Brandon Lighting will never stop to be better, never stop to provide fantastic product, never stop to offer better service. Brandon Lighting, your right OEM and ODM partner.